How you doing, guys? Malcolm Richmond here. I'm at the post office about to mail off my Valentine's to my suite. See, I got the box. Got the box. Got the stuff. Okay, let's get the packing. First we have the cards. Like so. We have the candies. There, the truffles, and then the best part right here. Where's my damn sticker go? Oh, jeez. It's kind of hard vlogging in here. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. Bye.